Hi there, I'm going to show you how to replace the battery in this key fob. This is out of a Grand Highlander. You do not need any tools, you just need one 2450 battery, and you can get these off Amazon. I've included a link in the description below that'll take you straight there. So first thing you want to do is on this back side, push this tab forward and pull out your mechanical key. Once you have a mechanical key, this little slot right here, you want to insert the tip of your mechanical key in that, and that will give you access to the battery. Once you have access to this tray, you can take your key and just place it right here and work that dead battery out. Your new battery goes in positive side facing upward or outward. And I'm just going to put this tray back in here. I think it's easier to close up when you do it that way. And then just give it a good squeeze all the way around. You can test right here, make sure you got your red light, and you're back in business. No need to reprogram. Hope that was helpful. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button.